Hello, everyone. As you know, we're slowly approaching the bull season. Therefore, every pre-sale we attend is quite important for us. In this video, I'll introduce the pre-sale of BitsCrunch on the Coinlist exchange. Let's get started if you're ready. Coinlist exchange is significant for many people in the crypto world because many individuals made significant profits through Coinlist's pre-sales. This site shows past pre-sales on Coinlist. On the Coinlist platform, those who participated in the Solana pre-sale saw their investments increase by 329 times. Some even made more profits, but I'm commenting based on the current price. Participants in the immutable pre-sale multiplied their investments by 10 times. Some might have even multiplied it by 59 times. Below are other pre-sales on Coinlist. Of course, not every pre-sale guarantees profits. For instance, those who purchased human coins suffered losses. The crucial thing here is to research the project well and make your own investment decisions. Now, let's visit Coinlist. This is the Coinlist homepage. There are menus on the left side. Below, you can find the events. On the right side, there's a karma score. My karma score is 1750. The karma score provides an extra advantage for Coinlist investors to participate in pre-sales. However, having a karma score is not a requirement to join pre-sales. It's just an advantage. This screen explains what you need to do to increase your karma score. Now let's look at the details of the BitsCrunch pre-sale. BitsCrunch is both an AI and NFT project. They have a simplified multi-chain integration. They claim it's an innovative project and invite users to contribute to their content. This graph shows the project's network structure. You can see further details below. Let's check the pre-sale details. The pre-sale date is December 14th. Tokens will be sold at a value of $0.055. Initially, 20% of the tokens will be provided, and the rest will be distributed monthly over 1 year. We have a minimum investment limit of $50 and a maximum of $2,000. We need to invest using USDC or USDT. Also, if you reside in the listed countries, you cannot participate in the pre-sale. By the way, if you make a minimum $350 purchase, you'll have a chance to earn an additional 450 BCUT. All right, now I want to see the project's supporters. Here I can see those supporting the project. There are important supporters like Coinbase, Gate, MEXC, and others. Participating in the pre-sale is your choice. Do your research. Check the project's social media accounts and observe their followers. I want to join this pre-sale and try my luck. I'm ready to apply. After pressing Get Started, confirm your name and select your country. Next, you will see a test. Answer the questions here the way I did. Even if you make mistakes, it's not important. In the next step, it will ask you to connect your MetaMask wallet. Since I've connected it before, I proceed. Go ahead and move on to this final step. I choose USDT as payment method. Thus, after applying, I will be able to send USDT to my account. The important thing here is to add a balance to your account by December 11th. I have to add at least $50 to my USDT wallet by December 11th, or else I can't participate in the pre-sale. To add balance, I will send USDT to my USDT wallet via the ERC network. Once I send the money, my pre-sale application will be completed. By the way, don't forget to calculate transaction fees when sending money. Transaction fees on the network can be around $10. I wish success to those who want to participate in the pre-sale. I'm not giving investment advice. Please do your own research. If you trust the project, you can invest. If you don't have an idea about the project, don't join the pre-sale. Good luck to everyone. See you in my next video.